Hi, I'm Kelly with Sierra Vista Maintenance. Just want to share with you one of our exterior window cleaning processes. This is called a DiTank, and what it does is we hook it up to the hose bib on the outside of your house. The water comes in, all the impurities are taken out, and all that comes out is purified water. So the purified water runs through the tubing here, out through the scrub brush. There's some jets that will shoot out the purified water. We're able to scrub down your glass. And this allows us to clean your windows, especially the second story windows, without having to set up an extension ladder with risk of damaging your stucco or your paint. And also it allows us to be safe and you don't have to worry about us falling or getting hurt. And so this pole extends up to 30 feet long, so we can reach the high windows. It has a nice soft scrub brush. The purified water comes out, we scrub it down. If you have any debris on the windows, we'll flip it over. There's a nice scrubbing pad here. We can take off the debris, and then we'll flip it back over and give you a rinse, and it'll dry absolutely spot free. You won't have to worry about streaks from squeegees or smudges from towels. This is a great way to clean the exterior windows.